Buzz Noches. We're talking about Java collections tonight. And what the French toast are they? Pardon my language. Well, first of all, a collection, you can think of it as a generic type that allows you to store and iterate over data. We have used a collection when we look at an array object in the objects and classes. We'll look over collections that allow us to use more flexibility and structure than the indexing mechanism of a basic array. Collections allow us to organize our data neatly and coherently. In the yellow, we have interfaces. The collection is consisted of list, or a queue, and set. The interface of a list implements arrays, vectors, linked lists, which extends to the collection. We have queues, which are sorted. Null not allowed means they have to have data. Then another interface we have is a set. Within those set, we can have a sorted set, and then from there, tree set. We can have hash set with ordered access from link hash set, which these in orange are classes. The sort order is derived from properties within the objects being sorted and can be based on natural ordering, such as alphabetically or numerically. There's a lot of information when it comes to looking at these collections. We can break it down basically into just these few things. And now I'm going to show you some code. Here we have a piece of every type we can put into a collection. Like here we have a map. Here we have an array. We have an unsorted array. We have a created sorted tree. So here we can see created a string, fruit, apples, pears, tomatoes, grapes. Tomatoes are fruit. Don't know what you believe, but it produces seeds, therefore it has to be a fruit. We create the array list. We print the list, and we add these elements to it. Those are duplicate values. Apples comes in twice, so does grapes. However, the array is a non-bias and it will still print those things. Then we can make it unsorted. We do a hash set and print out that this is, we can unsort the list. It doesn't matter. It's going to print it out first come, first serve. Here, we create a map with sorted items. We can put in whatever data we have here and then it will sort the data for us. Let's test it. So the first array we put down literally prints out what we write. After adding things, we can see there are duplicates. Once we run the unsorted set, it gets rid of our duplicates. And then the sorted map, it places the items in the sorted order they belong. And then finally down here we have a queue, which is a simple just climbing up to 10, 0 through 10, or 0 through 9, and it stops at 9, and that's our queue. This is a very basic way of looking at it, but Java collections, we have an entire collection of different classes and different lists, queues, sets. If you have any questions, feel free to use Google and talk to your mom.